Capt.torgny brings Master Mariner, experienced mooring master on tankers, deep sea diver, FA multi-engine, private pilot, with more than 40 years shipping experience, 15 years command experience on general cargo vessels, rural passenger vessels in Mediterranean and Baltic Sea, cruise vessels in Mediterranean and Arabian Gulf, crude tankers, worldwide trading, management experience as operation manager for reefer vessels and ferries in Baltic, experience as operation manager for Europe assistance in West Africa with hundreds of accidents during 10 years. General manager for shipping agency in Nigeria, Angola and Middle East. Experience as ship owner, salvage master for Stena King, British Williams, collision in Arabian Gulf. PNI surveyor for cargo and hull damage. Have all STC documents and all ISPS certificates current. If it going gets tough, the tough gets going. For Capt.torgny. Experience high caliber troubleshooter in shipping. Welcome to call anytime. Capt.torgny, stand by.